Hi guys and gals, this is Mrs. Pugh from the library, and today we're going to be diving back into the topic of plagiarism. You've become experts on learning what plagiarism is and talking about why we should not plagiarize. Today we're going to look at the way that you will need to cite pictures that you put into your projects this year. There's a specific way that we would like you to do it, and we're going to walk through it together right now, and then you'll have an opportunity to practice it on your own. So we're going to start off here in our fourth grade library classroom. We're going to look at this assignment that says practice citing an image, and for today we're going to pretend like we are making a Google slide about our perfect weekend. So I have a little one that's already completed here for you, and you notice that I have a picture here that I've inserted that I have used from Google Images. Underneath I have given credit to the site where that picture originated from. In order to not plagiarize this year in fourth grade on your project, we expect you to take some steps to capture this URL and put it under the picture in your slide or on a slide at the end of your presentations where you can make a list of all of the places that your pictures came from. So the way that we'll do this today, I'm going to get rid of this sample picture. And I'm going to pretend like I'm looking for a new picture. Maybe my perfect weekend, I would be headed skiing. So I'll go to Insert and come down here to an image. And I'm going to search the web like you probably have been doing for many years. And I'm going to put in skiing and see what types of images Google finds for me. All right, I see some great pictures here. Maybe I decide I would like to use this one. I know in the past you would just go like this and you would come down here and click Insert and you would walk away and be done. In fourth grade, this is not going to be the acceptable way to insert a picture into your slide. Instead, we're going to come over to our picture and hover right here. Do you see this little magnifying glass? And we're going to preview the image. It's going to give us the image large, but then up here in the top left-hand corner, it's going to tell us where that picture came from, who owns that picture. We're going to click on the real website that the picture came from. Now we can come up to the top and copy and paste the URL. Then we can go back to our slide and click Insert. We can wait for it to put the picture in, line it all up, but down here, this is where we need to give credit to that website that owns the picture. So we had copied the URL onto our clipboard. Now we'll paste it, and we're good to go. We've given credit to the website that picture is originated from. We are not plagiarizing, and our project is great. So for today, your job is to go to fourth grade library. You're going to practice citing an image. You'll come to your slide. You'll do exactly what I did by coming up to Insert and going to Image. You're going to search the web for your perfect weekend. When you go to pick the picture that you like, remember you're clicking on the magnifying glass. You're going to copy the URL by going to the original website. And then when you go back to your picture, you'll insert it, copy the URL, the new URL, underneath your picture. Whoop, sorry everybody. And you'll be good to go. So I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions while you're working on the assignment, come and see me. Don't forget, you need to give credit for taking pictures from websites. Thank you.